Hello everyone, this is your weather on Fly outlook and discussion for Friday, March 7, 2025. Update concerning convective outlook days 1 to 3. For today, at mid-levels, a low will move across the desert southwest, as a jet streak moves southward through the western part of the system over the far eastern Pacific. Strong large-scale ascent and steep mid-level lapse rates will be favorable for isolated to scattered thunderstorms this afternoon and evening in parts of Arizona and north-central New Mexico, with isolated storms also possible in far southern Colorado into portions of the southern plains tonight. For Saturday, there is a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms from East Texas to the central Gulf Coast. An upper low and attendant trough over the southwest Saturday morning will shift east toward the southeast plains and Sabine Valley vicinity by Sunday morning. Fast southwesterly mid and upper flow will already be in place from the southern plains to the southeast, though a stronger jet streak will impinge on the lower Mississippi Valley late in the period as stronger height falls spread east ahead of the approaching upper trough. At the surface, a weak low over north-central Texas will develop east near and just south of the I-20 corridor into southern Alabama through Sunday morning. A warm front will extend west to east along this corridor, and southerly low-level flow will support mid-60-degree dew points south of this boundary. Isolated to widely scattered strong to severe thunderstorms may occur from portions of East Texas into the central Gulf Coast region on Saturday. Large hail is the primary hazard with the strongest storms, although isolated damaging winds and a brief tornado may also occur. For Sunday, there is a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms across southern Georgia into northern Florida. A positively tilted upper trough will shift east across the southeast on Sunday. A weak surface low over southern Alabama Sunday morning will shift east near the Florida-Georgia state line before moving offshore during the nighttime hours. A warm front will be draped across southern Georgia, with mid-60-degree dew points to the south of the front. Modest mid-level lapse rates will foster instability around 500 to 1,000 joules per kilogram. Meanwhile, warm advection will sustain ongoing convection to the north of the warm front Sunday morning and afternoon, with additional rounds of convection possible during the late afternoon into the evening as a cold front moves across southern Georgia and northern Florida. Surface-based instability is expected to remain weak, with convection likely remaining somewhat elevated given poor diurnal heating resulting in weak low-level lapse rates. Nevertheless, favorable vertical shear will be present with supercell wind profiles evident in forecast soundings. If a storm can become surface-based near the warm front, isolated strong gusts or a tornado will be possible. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe for the latest Storm Prediction Center outlooks.